ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Mark, back with another YouTube video here on Boxing Day 2018, and I'm with my cousin Devasha. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are gonna open this Joker 12-inch action figure together, aren't we?
Yes.
Alright, so I know you've been really wanting to do this for so long, and I'm sorry it took so long. Today we finally, you got this for me yesterday for Christmas actually. Hey, if you guys didn't know. So yep. I'll just see where we cut. Actually, maybe we don't need a cut.
Can I take the tape off?
Alright, you take the tape off, but make sure you show it on camera. Alright.
It's hard to get it off.
How about I start it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, it is hard to get off. Alright.
I'm just gonna... Okay, it's off. They glued it.
Did they?
Yes, they... See that. Okay, it's open.
Alright. It's open now. Oh man, you can see him right there. Can you see him?
Yes, you can see it's here.
Yep. And can he come out like a...
There's like string on it.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna cut the strings. There's like strings holding them in. You can see right there. So we're gonna cut those. Alright, how about you cut one and I cut the other one? Just trying to show it on camera. Alright. Alright, it's cut. See if we can get him out now. Oh, he must be wide at the bottom too. Yeah, he is wide at the bottom. Alright. Looks like we're gonna open that up. You don't mind if I do that one, do you?
Yeah, you can.
Alright. Just rip it open. Oh, you see, not sure if you guys can see it, but it's kind of hard to see the thingy.
Yeah.
I know for a fact that there is one down there though. I just ripped it off. Here he is, guys. Here is the Joker 12-inch action figure. It looks so awesome, don't you think?
Yeah.
You wanna hold it? You wanna move him around a bit? Show it on camera. That is so cool. Yep. And his head. That is so awesome. It really is. Giant Joker. I love this so much. Thanks again for getting it for me for Christmas. Division.
Yeah.
So that's our unboxing of my 12-inch Joker action figure that I got for Christmas, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna have fun with this. And you can play with them too, of course. But you wanna smell them?
Why do I want to smell him?
See it. So that's our unboxing video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm your boy Mark. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Alright. So peace out, guys. And we're out.